Okay, I'm going to work on showing you how to add mixed numbers. The first problem for tonight's homework is 1 3/8 plus 6 3/4. So I told the students to rewrite the problem where you add the whole numbers first and then add the fractions. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. 1 plus 6, adding the whole numbers first, then add plus 3/8 plus 3/4. 1 plus 6 is 7, so I'm just going to bring down plus 3/8 plus 3/4. Now we see that the 3/8, 3/4, that there is an uncommon denominator. So we need to get a common denominator between the 8 and the 4. So we're going to use LCM, least common multiple, to get 8, 4, a multiple that is common between 8 and 4. Not going to go that far with 8. Just going to use skip counting, 8, 16. Then for 4, 4, 8. Going to stop right there. We see that the least common multiple between 8 and 4 is 8. So 8 is the least common multiple. And using that, we have the 7 plus 3/8 plus 3/4. The 3/8, we don't need to rename that fraction because 8 is the denominator that we're going to have in common between 3/8 and 3/4. But we do need to rename the 3/4. So knowing that the common denominator is going to be 8, I'll take 3/4. 4 times a number equals to 8. 4 times 2 equals to 8. And what you do at the bottom, you have to do at the top. 3 times 2 is 6. So we've just renamed 3/4 as 6/8. So now I'm going to rewrite the equation. 7 plus 3/8 plus 6/8. Now we can add our fractions together. So it's 7 plus, looking at adding the numerators, 3 plus 6 is 9/8. And so when we add the whole number and the fraction together, we get 7 and 9/8. Now 9/8 is an improper fraction, so we have to change that into a mixed number. To do that, I've shown the students how to use division, a shortcut using division. 9 divided by 8. 8 goes into 9 one time. 9 minus 8 is 1. To write this as a fraction, this 1 would normally be a remainder, but to write it as a fraction, you have 1 whole. You take that 1 and place it over the 8. So 1 and 1/8. Now we're going to add that 1 and 1/8 to the 7. 7 plus 1 and 1/8. And let me rewrite all of that so it's clear. 7 plus 1 and 1/8. We add the whole numbers. It is 8 and 1/8. And that is the final answer.